In this video, I want to tell you about the Home Business Academy mentoring and training you can take advantage of and how you can make more money faster using it. Whether you are looking at the Home Business Academy or HBA for the affiliate income opportunity, the tools and training to build it or any other business online or both, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. I've been marketing online almost since the start of the internet. I love the Home Business Academy. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell too. I post multiple new videos every week, and I'm sure you will want to get the information. Also, please hit the like button too to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So the Home Business Academy has been my #1 recommended income stream and source of tools and training for over 2.5 years now. Let me give you a quick overview of the Home Business Academy, why I like it so much, and why it might be right for you too. As for our income opportunity, it is the best way I've seen for everyday people to make more money. It's super simple and only takes minutes a day. With our mentoring and training, anyone can be successful even without previous experience. Following our unique Quick Start training, many new people make money their very first day. We market 4 high-demand digital products ranging in price from $10 to $1,000. HBA pays 80% commissions on all of them, 80%, and pays recurring or passive income on 3 of them too. That's money that can keep coming in month after month for the sales you make each day. I love getting paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. I've found the Home Business Academy to be the fastest and easiest way yet to create an amazing income. I can show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. And as for the HBA tools and training, they are the best in the industry. I have people who are already building other businesses join me in HBA just for our tools and training. They are that good. The Home Business Academy Funnel Builder tool is powerful yet simple to use, and you can use it to quickly build unlimited landing pages, sales pages, membership sites, and more. And that's even if you've never done anything like that before. It's far easier to use than the big name funnel builder tool and costs a fraction of the price. It comes with easy to customize templates and detailed, simple to follow training. Our premium product is the Traffic and Conversions Academy, and it is the very best, most comprehensive training I've found for building any business online, even if it's a traditional brick and mortar business. You will learn how to get a volume of high-quality traffic to your offer every day for free and how to convert it into sales. For example, just on YouTube marketing alone, we have over 20 training videos. We hold interactive Zoom calls daily. These masterminds are unlike the training you will find anywhere else. There is no better place to get your questions answered by knowledgeable, experienced marketers. We have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. But best of all, when we team up in the Home Business Academy, I will be your personal mentor and coach. You'll get my one-on-one mentoring. Online success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is me, an industry leader with decades of experience. I will share everything that has helped us be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, Facebook Messenger, or my cell phone anytime you have a question. To learn more about the Home Business Academy and the personal mentoring and training, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.